So this is going to sound like a crazy sales pitch, but in this series of videos, we're going to show you how we can have good paying, meaningful jobs for everyone. Over 90% relief of student debt, at very least, an increase of Social Security benefits, home loans at 1 to 2%, business loans at 1 to 2%, readily available credit at 3 to 5%, and lower our taxes to somewhere between 2 and 5%. And we're going to show you how we can increase the buying power of your dollar to be 3 to 5 times what it is now, at least. Sound impossible? It is possible. Did you know in the 1950s, the buying power of the dollar was over 10 times what it is today? This means you were able to buy 10 times the amount of stuff, being goods and services, with $1 compared to what you can now. In the 1920s, it was roughly 20 times what it is now. Well, what happened? Why is it so hard for so many people to just barely get by these days, and many are not getting by at all? Also, why did the average person lose 40% of their net worth in the last 5 to 6 years? We need to make sure this doesn't happen again. Well, we've interviewed several top economists, reviewed and cataloged hundreds of articles from trustworthy sources, and worked several months to consolidate this complex topic into a very short series to help you understand these issues and their solutions. Again, the solutions are really simple. Also, as you know, we try to make these movies as short as possible, but because this topic is a bit complex, it can't be squished into just 2 minutes. We think increasing your buying power by 5 times or more is well worth the extra time. Here are some of the topics we'll be going over. All play a part in creating the financial situation we're in. Also, keeping what money you have from disappearing is a big concern for everyone these days. We'll give you some great resources to help with that as well. We will be using some very big numbers in this series, and we highly recommend you take a minute to grasp the amounts we're talking about. Billions, and especially trillions, are difficult concepts for some. Just remember, this is your money we're talking about. We promise to make these amounts clear in this video series. Understanding these issues and their solutions is critical to creating a better life for you and everyone else. So please watch the videos closely and don't be shy about watching them several times.